Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to put ask me a question on Instagram story. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Instagram app. Okay, and tap on this option and click on history option. Okay, tap on this option, then click on sticker option. Okay, and click on question option and okay, then done, and just tap on this option and share and to put ask me a question on Instagram story. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.